Minisita yabigambiro gwabire nabugana habebembezi okurwa mu district 5 abeteranira hambuga nkuru za district ya Bushenyi.
So the involvement of the public officers is out. The involvement of the politician is in a way to guide our people, as we are talking about sensitization, that this money must be paid back so that it can continue educating the economy.
Of PDM mindset, we are still trying to make sure that we train and educate our people on how best they can benefit. But there is another pillar of infrastructure.
Minisita ashabire abantu okugumisiriza kandi ngo government eriyo nekora ekiri kubasika okureba ngo entebeekanisa egi yakora omwuga gwayo ogw'okwiha abantu omu bworo.
The delays of a little bit chairman of some monies from somewhere to there is not an issue. It is something new. But it was also, I would say, on the side of government.
If the money is on account, there are no guidelines. Who is answerable? And this one is not only in Bushenyi. This cuts across.
That village is selecting enterprises to finance. It is not Ministry of Finance, Agacencwire. This time it is a parish city. What? Enterprise selection. And enterprise selection is a very key element.
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.